Training customer relation management, company section. Customers are in the company section. To create a new one, you enter the name, code will be generated automatically, category will be used for potential customer and emailing, territory for report, and contact language for document. Customer information panel include information for customer order, such as selling price category, term, warehouse if activated, information for shipping, for packing list, specific address, shipping method, and information for billing, such as tax, interest, and address. Personalized fields can be used for the follow-up of potential customer. They are activated into administration, personalized fields, and you have personalized list, box, and checkbox. You just have to activate and name in the different language. Personalized field can be searched into company, searching for customer, potential client, and follow-up for September 2020. All the history of communication is kept into notes and attachment. You can see when, who's been sending, which document. A red dot in the envelope means that you have a message. You can accept message from dashboard, create a new message, send to your colleague or remind yourself, to a date, and to make the closing for target. The name of your company appears on the top window. You can search your company to put proper name, address, email, and tax number.